Hello everyone, welcome to DG Yusuf. If you have been lost your important data from your Android device or from your iOS device, and now if you want to get that data back, like your WhatsApp videos, WhatsApp images, WhatsApp chats, or your normal photos, normal videos, or normal call logs, your contact numbers, that any type of data, if you have been lost from your smart device, then you can get that data back. Now let me show you how you can get that data. But before that, you need to on your USB debugging mode from your device. And if you don't know how to on your USB debugging mode from your Android device, then let me show you. Go to setting, then go to about phone, and here you can see your device version. I am using MIUI version, so here it's showing MIUI. Just click 4 times on this, and after that it will show you now you are a developer mode. You are now a developer. Now go back and go to your additional setting. In that additional setting, you can see developer option. Just click on the developer option, and from here just turn on your USB debugging option, because once you turn on your debugging option, then your phone is ready to connect with your desktop or with your laptop. Now rest all things we can do from our laptop, so let me show how you can do that. And now I have connected my smart device with my laptop, and you need a small software for that to recover your data, iMobile, and I will give you this software link into my description. From there you can download for Windows, or from there as usual for your Mac device also. And I have already downloaded this software just for the device which you want to recover the data. Now I want to show you that for my Android device, so I am installing Android version. Or if you are having iOS device, then you can choose iOS option and you can install that software. And this phone rescue software is one of the best software to recover your deleted data from your Android device, because in the market many softwares are there. Amongst those all softwares, this software is one of the best. Now let me open this software. You can choose your language, and now as you can see here, you can recover your following data like contact, music, or call log, your videos, messages, all type of data you can recollect, like your WhatsApp, any type of document which you want you can recollect from here. But now I don't want to recollect that all thing, because it's just a demo, and because of that reason I will just collect photos or videos, like that's it. Now just click on next from here. It will get scan your device. Now it's scanning your device. What are the things you can collect from here? You can do the complete deep scanning, or just you can finish as soon as with the quick scan. So now I'm just doing quick scan because it's for demo purpose. Click on quick scan, and you can see the videos which I have deleted. Now it's showing here after scanning. Now I will not download all videos. Just for the time being, I will choose this 1 or 2 videos from here. For example, take any one video. Okay, I will take this one, and another. Okay, I will take this one also. Anyone too. Click on download, and after downloading that, you can see as proof that 2 videos which I have. Click on download option, right? These are the 2 videos. Basically this is my WhatsApp videos. Hope so this video is helpful for you. If this one is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.